Hello, everybody. Welcome back again to Grade Time 4. I'm Rafael, and I'm here today to start working with you with Unit 6 called How Do They Do It? Okay, and I do hope you had the chance to watch that video about the guy doing some magic tricks with the Rubik's Cube. By the way, did you know that the name of that object was Rubik's Cube? Have you researched why it's called like that? Because in Portuguese we would say like that's called a magic cube, right? But in English they call it in a different way. So here's something that's a challenge for you maybe to research how and actually why it's called a Rubik's Cube. And of course, I am going to be talking to you now just for us to take a look at these pictures here. So guys, remember, if you don't have your books with you, no problems at all, okay? You can follow your study guide that you can find on the pesenglish.com.br, right? And there you find your study guide and you can follow it through the end so that you can finish your studies with Unit 6, okay? So let's just take a closer look at these pictures over here. So have you ever seen such actions or such stunts like this? You know, we have these three magicians over here, and I like to know which one of these pictures do you think seems like the most dangerous for you? Because like in the first one, this one here, we have the guy hanging from a very high place, it seems, right? And he's all trapped in some straps and this giant wheel. And I do believe that the thing here is that he's trying to escape, right? And also, this picture here is pretty similar to this one here, right? This trick, let's call it. But as we can see, this is a colored picture, so it seems like more modern, right? And this one here is a black and white picture, which seems to bring us to earlier times, right? Maybe in the very beginning of the 20th century or even before late 19th century, right? And they do seem to be doing a very similar one. And also we have this guy over here with all those lights coming out from his hands, and he's got like a kind of helmet in his head. I hope he's not being electrocuted over here, because well, it really seems very dangerous, right? And also down here we have some questions that if you can discuss them with a classmate or even send a message to your teacher answering them. But the idea here is that you ask yourselves about it and think a little bit more about this topic, right? So we have the first question, which is, what magicians can you name? That's an interesting question, right? Can you remember the name from the guy on the video about the Rubik's Cube tricks? That's a good one. And also we have like lots of very famous magicians in the world, like Houdini by for example, right? And also I can remember another guy called David Copperfield, who is also very famous. And later in this unit, you will be getting to know even another very famous magicians. Another famous magician, actually, an English one. Okay? And what about you? What other magicians do you know? If you have no idea about any other magicians, you could pause the video here now and go on Google, of course, and look up for famous magicians in our world. Okay? Now, in the second question we have, what magic tricks have you seen? Have you ever seen magic tricks? How fond are you of magic tricks? I get really startled sometimes when people start doing magic tricks, because it's like, how do they do that? It's like, for me, I get really impressed with magic. Okay? And finally, number 3 we have, can you do any tricks yourself? Are you able to perform any magic tricks? And if you can, what are they? That's a good one. If you actually can do any magic tricks, it would be really, really nice if you could, I don't know, record yourself doing, performing that magic trick and sending out to your classmates or even to your teacher, and then you can share with us here from PES as well, okay? And well, of course, I am no magic at all, but I do know one magic trick, and I probably can say I can read your minds, even though we don't know each other, and even though we are very far away. So come with me, okay? So for starters, I would like you to think about a number from 2 to 9. So it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Okay? Good? Now, you are going to multiply this number times 9. So let's say you got 2. So 2 times 9 equals 18. Okay, so I'm just guessing here. I don't know the number you were thinking about. So do this now. Multiply your number by 9. Good? So probably now you have a number with 2 digits, right? What I want you to do now is to add these 2 digits. So let's say, for example, the result was 25. So 2 plus 5 equals 7, right? So do this now. Again, number times 9, okay? The result, you need to add the digits, okay? Good? So now I want you to take out, so the number, the result, minus 5. Good? And I'm pretty sure the result of your mind calculation is 4. I do hope I got it right, okay? So, I hope you had a little fun with my magic trick. As I told you, no magician whatsoever, but I do know this magic trick. I hope you also get to learn some, okay? Because they're pretty fun. And now, first, to finish this welcoming video, I want you to go back to your study guide and read the article about Dynamo, okay? Which is the magician you will be talking about and reading about in the text to follow, okay? I hope you have fun in this unit and we'll be back pretty soon. Bye!